Ever wonder why some property listings attract hordes of potential buyers while others barely get a glance? The secret is in the copy. Yes, the words used to describe a property can make or break a sale. Take a moment to think about it. You're an expert in your field. You know the ins and outs of the real estate market, but if you can't communicate the value of a property compellingly, even the most fantastic deal might go unnoticed. Consider the case of a property listing in the bustling city of New York. It was a beautiful apartment boasting 3 bedrooms, a spacious living room, and an unbeatable view of the city skyline. But despite all these promising features, it remained on the market for months. Then a change was made. Not to the property, but to the listing description. The real estate agent decided to enlist the help of a professional copywriter who understood the power of persuasive copy. The copywriter ditched the standard dry description and replaced it with an engaging narrative. Instead of merely stating the number of bedrooms, the copy painted a picture of tranquil mornings spent in a sunlit master suite. Instead of just mentioning the living room, it described a warm, inviting space where family memories could be made. And the city view? It was depicted as a mesmerizing panorama that could be the backdrop to your everyday life. To say the property came alive in the minds of potential buyers would be an understatement. The listing was inundated with inquiries and the property sold within a week. So what made the difference? The power of persuasive copy. By tapping into the emotions of potential buyers, the copywriter was able to transform a standard listing into a compelling story. This is the magic of using psychological triggers in your property descriptions. Words like tranquil, inviting, and mesmerizing evoke strong emotions. They enable potential buyers to visualize not just the property, but the lifestyle it offers. They make people want to be a part of that story. So, how can you harness this power? Start by understanding your target audience. What are their dreams, their desires, their fears? Once you know that, you can craft compelling narratives that resonate with them. Remember, you're not just selling a property, you're selling a lifestyle, a dream. And the right words can make that dream come true. Interested in learning more about the psychology of persuasive copy in real estate listings? Visit www.whyte-hallcommunications.com to unearth the power of words and watch your listings transform into compelling narratives that sell.